Warning this morning, watch out for wildfires.
All of this lovely weather we're enjoying is starting to dry up the Bay Area's greenery, and that means brush fires like this one in Citrus County that are flaring up. So what can you do to protect your property just in case? News Channel 8's Meredith Sansulo is helping us out this morning.
Well, first we want to give you a look at the current map of all of the wildfires in the state. This courtesy of the Florida Forest Service. And you can see there's a lot. Now, the combination of warm temperatures, little to no rain, low humidity are all contributing to the wildfire danger. I want to show you some video. This one from yesterday in Pasco County, Newport Richey at Topsail Trail and Flormar Terrace. It was contained to about 4 acres, but very close to a lot of homes in that area. And then this fire in Sarasota County earlier in the week, local fire rescue crews, they're currently doing some additional training on their wildfire techniques. But they say, of course, you need to do your part, too, to prevent these fires in the first place.
Be mindful of yard debris around their house, dead leaves, weeds, tree branches, especially dead tree branches. And if they're touching their house, the homeline best to get them cleared away so they can't catch on fire and spread to their house.
Also, be extra careful when you're disposing of barbecue items or cigarette butts. The best thing to do is spray them down with water. And Lee's here now with more on the dry conditions with weather on the 8s.